Alright guys, we are doing Flawless Basketball. This is random player box break number 53. I'm going to choose the box right now, roll the dice, and random off your players. Thanks again everybody for signing up. Good luck everybody. And I don't know what happened to my die. There it is. Odd and even, odd and even. Hit the randomizer 3 times. That is odd in the top box. Next one goes away, possibly for a run back or for another mixer. The one we're doing ends in 560. 560. Good luck guys, hitting the randomizer 3 times. 189 total spots. Benedict Donzi on the top, Zoe 33 on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. KB Rules number 1, and Carlos number 189. All right, on to the players. Zydrunas Ilgauskas on the bottom, AC Green on the top, 3 times. 1, 2, third and final hit, cross your fingers, hold your winners, good luck. 3, Tim Hardaway Jr. on the top, Cody Zeller on the bottom. I'll sort these alphabetically by your name, easier to find them that way. Here you go, Benedict Donzi down to Carlos, or through Carlos. The first 32 names. Find your name on the left, find your player on the right. Post this in the website, of course, as always, so you guys can find it afterwards. Alright, you guys that are 33, oops. 33 down to 64, Cassie John to Glenn Verity. Alright. 65 down to 96, Glenn Verity to JT Pabs. All you J's, man, all you J's, find your names. G's and J's. Alright. More JT Pabs. 97 down to 128. JT Pabs to Len Ren. Alright. 129 down to 160. Lincoln Hawk to Scotchy Black and Red. Alright, and number 161 to 189. Scotchy Black and Red to Zoe 33. Alright guys, post this on the website, give you a couple minutes to trade, and we'll be ripping it shortly.